Good morning, I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and we're back here at this place, the Disneyland Resort. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go. Well, hello, if you're new to my channel, we can thank the mysterious magic of the YouTube algorithm. Hey, speaking of which, it would really help me out if you haven't subscribed already to take a moment to click that subscribe button down below. It's totally free, it doesn't cost you a thing, and it really helps me out. By giving this video a huge like and thumbs up, it helps YouTube share this video and many other videos with awesome people like you from around the world. Hey, thanks!
Watch your children and keep an eye out for the white rabbit. But I'll see you in just a moment, and you'll join me on the most wonderful. The adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell.
Looking for the white rabbit? Wow! See for yourself!
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please! He went this way.
Oh no, that way.
A really important thing.
Oh, wait a second. Oh,
Now this is curious. I wonder if the rabbit came in here.
He went this way. I'm not sure where I am either.
Hey! Don't get
This way.
That's what we said. Everybody thinks the rose is ready. Nothing. Not really.
Not actually.
We're thinking the rose is ready.
We cannot stop.
So let the
Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the Kings.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42. The Queen always wins.
With their heads! Off with their heads! Stop this!
It was an unbirthday cake, too.
Well, what a good time that was. All in all, I'd have to say it was a lot of fun today. So hey, I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop. I had a lot of fun, but enjoyed making this video even more. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a huge like and thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and take it one step further by clicking the bell icon to be kept in the loop when new videos drop. We'll see you on the next adventure, everyone. Bye!